Hi, this is Dr. Steve Weinberg, your 911 vet. And today we're going to talk about how to give rescue breaths to puppies. This really relates to CPR techniques in puppies. And today we are going to learn some strategies on how to accomplish this. CPR in newborn puppies is a little bit different than CPR in adult animals. It does require quick actions, and you can save a newborn in some instances, most instances. Actual CPR, in fact, does have a low rate of success, even in the clinic. So if you're involved in breeding and whelping of pets, look forward to 6 to 8 weeks of 24-hour vigilance to try to make sure that these pets are surviving. If you find one of your puppies is laying there lifeless and not breathing much or moving, it's important to have certain things at hand. A suction bulb like this is very handy because the number one reason of problems with these little pups is that they get mucus or milk stuck down into their throats and it blocks the airway. Their heart doesn't actually stop right away. So if you can manage to clear the airways with your bulb gently right in their mouth, that's going to help tremendously. Another thing you need to do is to rub them vigorously and stimulate their activity. What you don't want to do is shake them. You can actually cause some brain damage by doing that, so don't do that at all. Another very important thing to do is to make sure that you keep these puppies warm, because they can actually succumb to a low temperature and won't let them revive. So one thing you can do is to use a heat lamp overhead rather than a heating pad, because that could tend to burn the skin. They're very sensitive, so it's not recommended to use those. As far as rescue breaths, it's actually not recommended to blow into a puppy's mouth. That can actually force mucus or milk down into the lungs, making the situation worse. You can also just damage the lungs by doing that. With vigilant attention to these newborns, using your suction, your stimulation, and warming the puppies, you can actually save a life with your attention to these pups. Thanks for watching.